Yes sir, man, I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, today we working on a 2017 Volkswagen Passat. It's a 1.8 turbo. We're doing the wheel bearings on it. We got our new hub assembly. 4 bolts in the back. We're gonna be holding that in there. I'll show you how we're gonna get that out. Alright, before we get the car off the ground, take this center piece out. Little flathead. We want to break that loose while we got it on the ground. Got it loose. Had to get some leverage, 1/2 inch, and used the, what was it, a 22? No, it was a 22 millimeter star, or 12 point. This is what I'm using to get that out. Alright, we got the tire off. Skip to that. Jack stand, safety. Gonna have to get brake caliper off, rotor. Alright, we pop this clip off. Make sure it don't pop off and hit you, 'cause that thing will fly off. Got these 2 little caps right here. Take those out. One here, one on the bottom. And we have a, what is it, a H6 hex. Already broke it free. We got that wheel turned. Now you can see what we got. Crack it off. Now we got that right there holding the, it's a T30 holding the rotor. We get that off. Now that rotor free. That's the wheel bearing. Got the old one. We got it held on by those 4 bolts in the back. So we're gonna have to knock that CV axle. We're gonna have to knock it back. So what we're gonna do is hit these bolts on the lower control arm, free it so it can drop, and we can push that back. Alright, so it's 3 bolts. Got them out. Go ahead and tap that down, get it up out of there. That's what we got. Now we can swing it out a little bit more. Push that back. Tap it back and get it out. Just like that. Tap that out. Now we can get to these bolts better. Now, this is the tool we need to get this bolt out, all 4 of these bolts out. It's going to be a M12. That fit right in there. That's what we're using. Alright, loosened them all up and it fell right out. No problem. If it was rusty, oh man, that'd be bad. Alright, before we go in, we want to make sure we clean off the surface. Spray it down. And we're going to add some bearing grease to the end of that, so it doesn't seize when it goes inside. Let's get it. Alright, we got our brand new hub on. Nice and smooth. Got it tight. Alright, we're going back in. Lower control arm. Alright, reverse order. First, I'm going to go ahead and replace this ABS sensor on this side. Alright, It's time to put the brake pads on. Tighten down the bolts. And just like that, everything back together. Clip on. Everything tight. Put your caps back on. Don't forget those. And we're going to do the same thing for the passenger side. We'll fly through it. That's it. And that's the passenger side. I'm done with it. Find a bolt. This thing didn't have a screw for the rotor holding it. But that's it.